Just look at that. That is our Camembert. Beautiful, beautiful cheese. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are doing a Camembert maple syrup with pecans. It's a bit of a Canadian twist. And it's easy to do actually. We're going to stick it in the oven, we're going to bake it. This is one of those tear and shares you serve up. Serve it up with crackers or crusty bread. Perfect. Come on, let's get on and do it. It is really, really easy, really tasty. Camembert. Right, maple syrup, Canadian. We got some pecans, which we are going to roast. So we're going to get them in a pan. And we're going to toast them a little bit, but not much. Beautiful Camembert. Come on. Oh, fabulous. Bonjour. Right, what we've got to do is take that out of there. Okay, take it out of the wrapping and put it back in the box. Look at that beautiful cheese. Back in there. Beautiful. Now take a knife and we're going to make a cross hatch pattern in the top. Very straightforward to do, look, and then just turn it a little bit and then we're going to cut a cross hatch. Okay, when your pecans are toasted, we're just going to give them a little chop over with a knife. Don't go crazy, we want some texture. Obviously they're going to break up, you know, but try to keep some together. Okay, we're going to take our Camembert. Now you can drizzle on maple syrup now, or drizzle on when you put the nuts on. We're going to do two drizzlings for us. We're going to drizzle on there, and I'm going to put the nuts on and drizzle just a tiny bit more. Now don't go crazy this first time round. Now that is going to guarantee on going in there. Take your pecan nuts on there. Nice little push down. Now this thing should sink in a little bit as it bakes, but you never know. And a little more drizzle of that maple syrup on there. Oh, perfect. And over the top with a little pinch of sea salt on our tray. Now take a nice crusty and we're going to cut it up. Nice and straightforward. Cut it any which shape that you want, you know. You just want to go on there with some of that bread that you've just cut up. We're going to toast that on there at the same time as baking this. That way we have toasted bread warm to dip in our Camembert. And that goes in a preheated oven. So that's in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes and the bread will toast alongside the Camembert. Just look at that. That is our Camembert. Beautiful, beautiful cheese. Come on, just so simple. Oh, awesome. That soft, gooey maple syrup, salty cheese. Absolutely fantastic. So that is a very straightforward recipe. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them all about the baked Camembert, maple syrup and pecan nuts. Delicious. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget the big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.